Every year, millions of tons of fashion end up here. But Ralph Lauren is changing the endgame.
This isn't just recycling. It's molecular welding.
The journey begins with the intake of thousands of pounds of post-consumer apparel. Precision begins here. Every garment is sorted by color to eliminate the need for new, toxic dyes. Only the purest natural fibers are selected for the Claris process. Once verified, the bales are broken, releasing a sea of textiles ready for their second life. Zippers, buttons, and tags are stripped away. Nothing but the raw fiber must remain. The stripped textiles are fed into the heart of the recycling machine. Inside this chamber, the magic of Claris technology happens. We are no longer just spinning, we are welding. The ionic liquid bridges the gaps between short recycled fibers, fusing them at a molecular level into a high-performance filament. Stretching the material aligns the internal structure, giving recycled cotton the durability of a synthetic polyester. Ultrasonic waves ensure every single fiber is locked into the matrix.
A sudden burst of heat locks the structure in place. The transformation from waste to wealth is now permanent.
We add the first twist. This roving stage provides the initial integrity needed for high-speed spinning.
The results are undeniable. This recycled cotton is now stronger than the day it was first harvested. Efficiency meets scale. These bobbins are the building blocks of the new Ralph Lauren collection.
Sustainability is a circle. 99% of the welding liquid is recovered and pumped back into the start of the process.
Under the microscope, you can see the truth. The welds are seamless.
Now, the roving is ready for its final refinement, the transition into ultra-fine yarn. Automation ensures that the process never stops, turning tons of waste into miles of yarn every hour. Perfection is mandatory. Any imperfection is identified by laser and instantly removed. This is the raw material of the future, created from the discards of the past. Precision work begins. We take the thick roving and stretch it to its absolute limit, creating a yarn that is both fine and incredibly resilient. The Traveler moves at speeds that would melt standard cotton, but our welded fibers are engineered to withstand the heat. Traditional recycled yarn is fuzzy and weak. Claris yarn is smooth, mimicking the high-end feel of long-staple Pima cotton. Should a thread break, our automated systems perform a molecular splice. No knots, no bumps, just continuous perfection. From bobbins to cones, we are preparing the miles of yarn required to weave a single iconic polo shirt. A microscopic layer of wax is applied, ensuring the yarn glides through the knitting needles without a hint of friction.
It must pass the ultimate test. It has to be stronger than the original, but feel just as soft against the skin.
Infrared sensors check for uniformity. There can be no thin spots in high-performance luxury. Every single one of the 3,000 threads is meticulously threaded. Precision at this stage prevents flaws later. Before the mass production begins, a sample is born. A proof of concept for the circular future. The yarn is ready. Now, it's time for the final transformation into the fabric of the future. To finalize the molecular bond, the fabric must undergo a baptism of heat and pressure. Superheated steam at 2 atmospheres of pressure relaxes the internal stresses of the yarn, locking the weld forever. A rapid thermal shock stabilizes the structure, ensuring the shirt will never shrink or lose its shape. Next, a bio-based finishing treatment is applied, enhancing the cotton's natural ability to wick moisture away from the body. The Stenter frame ensures perfect width and grain alignment.
In luxury, there is no room for a crooked weave. Infrared heat dries the fabric from the inside out, preserving the softness of the cotton while setting the performance finish.
We use air, not chemicals, to break the stiffness, giving the recycled material a broken-in, premium feel.
Most recycled cotton fails under friction. Claris thrives. It is built to last a lifetime, not just a season.
The result? A cotton shirt that behaves like armor against the elements.
Color consistency is the hallmark of the brand. We prove that recycled doesn't mean faded.
Every yard is weighed. We ensure the perfect balance of breathability and substance.
Our transformation is clean. All air and water used in the process are filtered and returned to the environment purer than before.
From tons of waste apparel, a single, flawless roll of the future is born.
The transformation is complete. Now, the construction of an icon begins.
Precision is the bridge between raw material and masterpiece. Digital patterns ensure zero waste in every cut.
The collar, the most scrutinized part of a polo, is engineered to maintain its shape, even after 100 washes. 982 individual stitches, one global symbol of quality. The pony is the final seal of the circular revolution.
Every point of stress is reinforced. This shirt is built for performance, from the boardroom to the court.
Robotic assembly provides a level of consistency that was once impossible, ensuring every shirt is an exact twin of the prototype.
Even the buttonholes are a feat of engineering, reinforced to never stretch or tear. Buttons are secured with a specialized cross-stitch designed to withstand the rigors of high-performance wear.
Internal comfort is as important as external style. Flat-lock seams provide a second skin feel.
Heritage details, like the tennis tail, remain untouched. This is the classic look you know, made in a way you've never seen.
Information is integrated, not attached. High-tech heat seals replace traditional tags for maximum comfort.
Before it leaves the assembly line, the integrity of every seam is tested by hand.
The final steam bath relaxes the fibers after the intensity of assembly, bringing the Claris fabric to life.
Every shirt carries a digital passport, a permanent record of its journey from waist to wardrobe.
The icon is assembled. Now, it must prove it can outperform the original.